hug. Hey, I'm Melinda.
And I'm Myiesha.
And I am engaged, and with the wedding comes so much on my plate. Fragrance is something I really want to nail down, and Myiesha is the fragrance expert.
Things I love to do.
She said she would help me.
So I think fragrance evokes such memory, and so many people remember the scent that they wore at their wedding. So I wanted to help Melinda pick some fragrances for herself and her fiance, as well as like different events at the wedding, super important as well. So hopefully this will help all of you pick a fragrance if you're getting married or attending a wedding. Personally, I think as far as beauty and fragrance goes, there's just no one more important than the bride. They're the star that day. So I think the bridal fragrance is very important. I am absolutely obsessed with Chris Collins fragrances. I just think they're so good. Every single one of them I love, but Lost in Paradise I think is just like the hit, so special. It's very unassuming. I have it on today. You can smell it. It smells so good.
I love this.
It's so good.
It's subtle enough, but it's significant.
Yeah, it's so hard to describe because it is subtle, but it lives with you the entire day. It has coconut water, peach skin, which I'm assuming is more delicate than like peach itself. So that scent is just like so mouthwatering and beautiful. It's this like flask bottle.
I'm obsessed with the packaging, like pearlescent white with a beautiful photo of your dress and your shoes and all the
social media, wedding album ready. Like it's absolutely beautiful. All of his fragrances are amazing and definitely something to check out.
Okay, so next up is For My Man. This one is the Maison Louis Marie, number 4 Bois de Balincourt. And he loves this stuff. Obsessed. I remember I got the candle for our house, and that's when his love affair started with this scent. And since then, I've gotten this for him as a gift, and it's just his go-to. I think it's such a beautiful, gender-neutral scent, really. I wear this as well, and I love it for my home. But it's just light and subtle, so that when I, go to give him a kiss, or someone goes to give him a hug, it's like that nice
it's a
little
compliment to what you're wearing instead of competing, which I love.
All right, so up next is from Fleur, and you recommended this one to me. It's the Somebody Would, and it's just so beautifully neutral. I feel like everybody loves this one.
It's so soft and unassuming. Anybody can wear it. Great for the bridal party.
It'd make a perfect gift for some of my, very special guests. Everyone's gonna smell amazing.
It's the essence of the wedding.
I can look back and smell this, and it'll bring back all of the memories. I love this one.
So our last fragrance is something that I've been obsessed with for a while. Again, gender neutral. I feel like that's just like the new wave. Wear what you want. And this is Costa Azzurra by Tom Ford. It's actually inspired by the warm sun on the coast of the Mediterranean. So I thought it would be the perfect honeymoon fragrance.
Yeah,
as you're planning your honeymoon, because I know you don't know exactly where you're gonna go, but that's definitely the vibe.
Yeah.
It has some cypress, some woody notes, some citrusy notes. I wear it all the time. It's a little bit masculine, but over some like vanilla body butter.
Which I love, yes.
It's so beautiful, one of my absolute favorites. So these are some great fragrances to get you through wedding season and beyond. Of your 1,000 tasks, hopefully I completed one for you for your wedding. If you all would like to try any of these fragrances we talked about today, go ahead and shop the shelf below, and we'll see you next time.